Yo, what it do, guys? Welcome back to one of the videos. So today we'll be upgrading my LED lights, and I'm gonna go ahead and teach you how to do it. Look, these how they look OEM. So if you do have a C250 or C300, you have these stock OEM ones, and they just look like this, kind of plain and simple. But we're gonna be upgrading these to this. So that's how it looks from this side to this side. So let's go ahead and teach you how to do it real quick. Let's go. So what you're gonna wanna go ahead and do is get one of these. I would say get a flathead, but you don't wanna mess anything up. So get one of these if you can. Harbor Freight, pretty easy. So this is what you're gonna wanna do. So push the mirror in. Kinda, look, let me see if I can get you. Kinda in the way right here. Just push it a tad bit. Just like this. Get this, go put it under. You're gonna hear a clip. Put a clip right here. And what you want to do is lift. Where's it at? There we go. Want to do it just like that, but not that hard. Let's scratch it. There we go. Perfect. So I kind of put it up a little bit too hard. So yeah, that's how you do it. So yeah, as you can see, you have two right here, one right here, one down here. It's a T10 actually. So let me go ahead and get that real quick.
Put that somewhere safe. Right here, and then you want to unclip this piece right here. And there's another one right here.
So you want to unclip the one right here and the one right here. This, and then kind of push just a tad bit, loosen up. And you want to kind of take it off right here. This is the hardest part because this is a little bit stuck. So what you want to do is do it like this and keep pushing with your finger, just like that. Just like that. You see, it's gonna look like it's gonna break, but don't worry about it. Use this tool. There you go. Now you just want to untangle it from here. There we go. So this is the OEM one, and let's go look at the aftermarket one. So the difference you're gonna get is the OEM and the aftermarket one. Everything's the same. Same bolt, same everything. Just like that. Now, what you always wanna do is plug it in, see if it works. Let's go do that real quick. So you wanna plug it in. It just fits in just like the OEM one. So like any other product you get that lights, always test it. So let's unlock it. Let's lock it. All right, you can just keep it like that if you really do want it. All you gotta do is this and not even worry about this wire. But I did pay for the little blue wire. I think you can also do with the white LED light, and it'll look like the one I had over there. Just in case you don't know how it looks, let's go look at it real quick. Just like that, when you add the blue wire. And if you do want to install that, let me go ahead and teach you real quick. Let's go. All right, now that you know that it works, just go ahead and put it right back. If it lets me, because it's like it's a little bit snug. Fuck. Do is open your door. Like I said, get one of these. Go like that. Take this one pretty loose, and with your hand, just yank on this one. Come out just like that. Okay, but if you guys do have the folding mirrors, you can just connect it to this wire. But since mine doesn't, and I don't have the pedal lights on the bottom, I can't connect it to that one. So what you want to do is a quick hack is just open all this up and open this one. And I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a red and white wire. That one right there. You're gonna want to go ahead and splice that wire real quick and reconnect it, and then you'll have everything set up. So let me go ahead and do that real quick, and I'll be right back. All right, so what you want to do is go ahead and take that out, and you see that little red and white wire. You're gonna want to splice it and then put it all up. Then you want to just fish the wire up here, and then run this wire through inside there, and then keep it moving, and you can get it all the way. All right, so you're gonna want to fish wire through here, loosen this up, run the wire through here, and then run the wire down this little hole. All you'll need is one of these or something long. Just put it in here, just pop it open, and then from there, run the wire, and then run the wire up here, and then connect everything. So let me go ahead and get that real quick. Once you have everything wired up, plugged in, spliced up, you just push this right here, and you just connect it. All right, once you do this, just push that down, it goes down. Now you just gotta check it out and see the goodness. Look, see, unlock. Then when you lock it, and it does turn off whenever you open the car. Wait, that's lock. Here you go. Pretty cool. All right, guys. See you guys in the next video.